Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel and I want to welcome you to this Power Platform Essentials video series. This is video number 10 on this series that will take you through the works on Power Platform. Hey everyone, just to let you know that my videos are now also being hosted here, the channel with the cutest cat. Please give Spark a big thumbs up and show him all your love by hitting that subscribe button. We have come a long way since the first video and we have covered environments, solutions and publishers, tables and table columns, forms and views. And we have a working app in the browser. What about the mobile experience? Well, I have to confess that I'm a fan of model-driven apps. I really like the simplicity and efficiency of its data-driven interface. And the mobile experience is just great as well. Out of the box, you get a working mobile app that performs really well. Let's take a look at it. To use your app in your smartphone, go to the store and install Power Apps. It's available both for Android and iOS. And after you log in, you will get to see the apps you have access to. Click to open. Let's allow this and let it load. And voila! That same view we have created in the last video. The name of the expense, the date it was created on, and the amount. It's all there. Want to take a closer look? Just open the record. Want to add a receipt? For sure. Just photograph it or add a file you already have in your phone. And if you want to add a new record, just click New and enter the details. $20 in the amount. This was for food, and let's add an account here and save the record. Let's now refresh the browser and your new record is there. As I said, I'm a big fan of model-driven apps and I hope you can become one as well. What about that? 10 videos, a working app, both for your phone and your browser, and a lot of basic concepts covered. How do you feel about this series of videos? Were they helpful in any way? Is there something you think should have been included? Please let me know your thoughts on this, okay? This series is over, but there's a lot more coming, so stay tuned. See you soon! How was the video? Was it helpful? If so, please like, comment, and subscribe to help spread the word. Thanks!